Word of the day. Take means to get something into your hands, to carry something away, to accept or receive something, or to do something as an action. मतलब लेना, उठाना, ले जाना, कबूल करना, इख्तियार करना. Let's learn uses and practice sentences.
English Booster by Kashwani. One word a day. Say it the better way. Subscribe for your daily dose.
To pick up or carry something. उठाना या लेना. Example, please take this bag. बराए मेहरबानी ये बैग ले लें. To accept or receive something. कबूल करना या लेना. I will take your advice. मैं आपका मशवरा कबूल करूँगा. To go somewhere by using transport यानी सफ़र करना. Example, we will take the bus. हम बस से जाएंगे. To need or require time means वक्त लगना. Example, it will take 2 hours. इसमें 2 घंटे लगेंगे. To remove something निकालना या उतारना. Example, please take off your shoes. बराए मेहरबानी अपने जूते उतार दें. To capture a photo तस्वीर लेना. Can you take a picture of me? क्या आप मेरी तस्वीर ले सकते हैं? To consider something सोचना या गौर करना. Example, take my words seriously. मेरी बात को संजीदगी से लें. Let's practice these sentences to save in your active memory. Learn and repeat. Please take this pen. बराए मेहरबानी ये पेन ले लें. I will take a cup of tea. मैं एक कप चाय लूँगा. Can you take me to the market? क्या आप मुझे मार्केट ले जा सकते हैं? It will take some time to finish. ये ख़त्म होने में कुछ वक्त लेगा. She took my advice seriously. उसने मेरा मशवरा संजीदगी से लिया. Don't take things personally. बातों को ज़ाती तौर पर मत लें. He took the wrong bus. उसने गलत बस ले ली. Please take your shoes off. बराए मेहरबानी अपने जूते उतार दें. I want to take a picture here. मैं यहाँ एक तस्वीर लेना चाहता या चाहती हूँ. They took him to the hospital. वो उसे अस्पताल ले गए. How long will it take to reach? पहुँचने में कितना वक्त लगेगा? She takes care of her parents. वो अपने वालिदैन का ख्याल रखती है. Please take notes during class. बराए मेहरबानी क्लास में नोट्स लें. Don't take any risks. कोई ख़तरा ना लें. I will take your message to him. मैं आपका पैगाम उसे पहुंचा दूंगा. It's time to homework now. Make any 2 sentences with word and share in comment section to make collection of beautiful sentences for practice and use it in your daily life from today. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. Share and subscribe for more videos.